Any lazy people out there? Have you ever forgotten your glasses and you can't read the menu or a box? Well, I have the solution. Take a picture, and then you can zoom it to your liking. This is gonna save my life. Now this one looks stupid, but wait till you see it in action. When I'm in my living room, I do it all the time. You know when you're on your computer, you're writing, you can build this extra long straw. I don't have time to go and grab my glass every 2 seconds. Now put it in a glass and drink all you want while typing. Now I know a lot of you is gonna love this one. Folding clothes takes so much time. Well, no more. With this technique, you can fold your shirt in 2 seconds. On the side of the shirt, grab the middle, the top, and bring it to the bottom of your shirt. And voila! You can even fold it in 2 afterwards. Let me show you again. You grab the middle, the top, and you bring it to the bottom of the shirt. Like this. Let me show you a 3rd time. You take the middle, the top, you bring it to the bottom, and you fold it. And you get faster with practice. I do it faster than I say it. No spoon, no problem. Now I know a lot of you uses this technique. I always forget my spoon when I bring a yogurt, so I always have to end up folding the wrapping, making it into a spoon. How easy and amazing is that? With this hack, you can make your very own nail polish remover container. All you need is 4 pieces of sponges and a container. Squeeze the pieces of sponges together and squeeze it into the container, like this. And then add the nail polish remover. Once that's done, you can close the lid and shake it a little bit so that the nail polish remover spreads everywhere. Now you're ready to use it. Insert your finger with the nail polish on it, and there you go. It's perfect, no more nail polish. Now this one is for extra lazy people. Do some of you hate doing dishes? Well, I have the solution. All you need to do is add plastic wrap on top of your plate, so that when you eat, you don't have to dirty your plate anymore. Look, it's so easy. Place it like this, and then you're ready to add your food. Now you don't need to worry about the dishes after eating. Now, do you hate being on your iPad and always having to hold it? It gets really tiring. Why not build your own stand? With a hanger, all you need is to fold your hanger in half, like this. Isn't it perfect? Now you don't have to hold your iPad anymore, and you can enjoy some Camila Cabello videos all you want. Now this video is for selfie addicts and smartwatch users. Doesn't your arm get tired when you take selfies? Mine does. Well, I have the solution. With the smartwatch, all you need is to place your phone in front of you and let the smartwatch do the work. Now, I love using the grill, but I hate cleaning it afterwards. Then why not fix the problem? Instead of putting your sandwich directly onto the grill, add some foil sheets on the bottom, place your sandwich, and add some foil sheets on top. So now when your sandwich is ready, you don't have to clean the grill afterwards. Isn't it awesome? Ah, look, a perfect grilled cheese. Yummy. I will show you a simple way to clean your blender. Don't you hate using your blender because you know you're gonna have to clean it afterwards? Well, you won't have that worry anymore. Just add some water and a little bit of soap and start mixing. Leave it a couple of seconds and rinse it out. With this hack, I enjoy using my blender more often. It looks so clean. This hack is for Apple users. This one blew my mind. Now you can connect to the Wi-Fi just by putting your phones side by side. A perfect solution for a lazy person. So, have you ever been just laying on the couch and suddenly get thirsty and your phone is too far away to text your sister that's in the kitchen? Well, I got you. All you need is to record your message onto your smartwatch . Bring me some water. And send it. Fresh water is on the way. If you enjoyed our lazy hacks, you can subscribe down below.